Okay, number 13. ABC is a rhombus, AB is 5, AE is 3, and DB is 8. Find EC and AD. Okay, so AB is 5. Let's just put that there. And AE is 3. AE is 3. And DB, this whole distance, is 8. Well, when I know that these are bisected, I just put half here and half here. Okay, and I can also put 3 here. And since it's a rhombus, I know all the outsides are equal. So I put those there. And let's put a right angle in the middle. Let's see what we need here. So AB is 5, AE is 3, and DB is 8. Find EC. EC, we already put it down, it's 3. And AD, right here, is 5. Done. 14. PQRS is a square. Find the measure of angle TSP. Okay, TSP is down. TSP is this angle right here. And we know, since this is a square, that this is a right angle. And that since this square has all the properties of everything, these are each going to be 45. So our answer is 45 degrees. Number 15, PQRS is a square. Okay, QRS is 15 times x plus 2. Find the value of x. So QRS, if we outline that, QRS, we see we're talking about the whole angle. And since it's a square, we know that's 90. So we're going to do 15 times x plus 2 equals 90. First thing we'll do is distribute. So 15 times x plus 15 times 2 is 30 equals 90. We're going to subtract 30 from both sides. Leaves us with 15x equals 60. By 15 divided by 15, x equals 4. So 4 goes right there. That's number 15. 16. IJKL is a trapezoid with bases LK and IJ. And the measure of angle JKL is 71, IJL is 42. Find LJK. Okay, so bases, here are the bases. JKL is 71. JKL, this angle right here is 71. IJL right here is 42, and we want to find LJK there. Well, since this is a trapezoid, we know these are parallel, so all of these angles here will add up to 180. So if I do 71 plus 42, so 113, then we do 180 minus 113, and 67 for x, so 67 goes right here. 17, now we want to find the measure of angle F, this one down here. Okay, again, the only thing that we know is that these angles are supplementary, so all we have to do is 180 minus 116, that gives us 64, so the measure of angle F is 64 degrees. 18, is an isosceles trapezoid with legs TP and RA. T is 117, find A. Okay, so it's isosceles, so that means this is congruent to this. T is 117, and we want to find A down here. Well, we know that base angles are congruent, so we're going to find X. First we'll move 117 over here, and then we can just do 180 minus 117 gives us 63. So angle A is 63 degrees. Number 19, if AC is equal to 20, find the length of BD. Alright, AC, this whole distance is 20. And this is isosceles, and one of the rules that we learned for isosceles trapezoid was that the diagonals are congruent. So, if AC is 20, BD is also 20. Number 20. The figure shows a trapezoid and its median. Find the value of x. Okay, well, I'm going to do this two different ways. First, I'm going to do it the way we showed you in class, and then I'm going to show you another way. The median, right here, we know is always going to equal base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. So we can just plug this into our equation and solve for x. So the median is 23, and that equals base 1, which is 42, plus base 2, which is x, divided by 2. Now to solve, I'm going to go ahead and multiply both sides by 2. That'll get rid of this denominator. Over here I've got 46 equals 42 plus x. I'm going to subtract 42 from both sides. And that'll be 4 equals x. Now, one way you can check these, if you put this right here, the distance between this leg, or this base, and the median should be the same as this median and this one. So between 23 and 4 is 19, and 23 plus 19 is 42. So the same distance, so our answer checks out. If you want an easier way to do this, using this is based on this formula, we know that if we double the median, it'll be equal to the sum of these two. So what we can do, because that's what we did right here, we doubled the median and set it equal to the sum of the other ones. It works for anything that you have. So let's rewrite this. 2 times the median equals base 1 plus base 2. Plug that in and see if we get the same answer. So the median is 23. 2 times 23 equals 42 plus x. So that's 46 equals 42 plus x. And if we subtract 42 from both sides, 4 equals x. Same answer. So you are perfectly welcome to use this formula instead of that one. 21. Figure shows a trapezoid and its median. Find the value of x. So let's try it the new way. We're going to multiply the median by 2 and set it equal to the sum of the bases. Equals 40 plus 84. So 2 times 2x is 4x. Is 124 by 4. X equals 31. X equals 31. Okay, so let's check. If we put an x right here, 21 or 31 where the x is, 2 times 31 would be 62. So go from 40 to 62, we're adding 22. And if we add 22 again, it gives us 84. So our answer checks out. Okay, let's see, the pen's out, so let's go back up here. Okay, for 22 through 27, let me get the pen back. Determine whether each quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Justify your answer. Okay, well, we know the diagonals bisect each other. So, yes, this is a parallelogram. O-gram. Diagonals bisect each other. And this one, we know one pair of opposite sides is congruent parallel. That's also one of our rules to make something a parallelogram. So I'm just going to write yes, one pair opposite sides is congruent and parallel. 24, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, and that's the definition of a parallelogram, so yes, both pairs, opposite sides